Cough cough. How's it going, guys? Due to the fucking coronavirus, I decided to create a YouTube channel as I had nothing better to do. So as an introductory video, we are going to do something cool. We will be making an AI to destroy this small game. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's called Sonic. It sold a few copies and had a few movies made on it. Anyways, so I used Green Hill Zone 1 for this video, and integrated it pretty neatly using OpenAI. So I'll just render him using OpenAI and, oh, look what we have here. Sonic on meth. The reason this happened was because we set all his actions to random. Here. So anyways, for the purpose of this video I am using NEAT, which is actually a fairly useful algorithm for these cases. NEAT has a population of genomes, where each genome consists of two sets of genes. One is the node, which specifies a neuron. Second is the connection gene, which specifies a single connection between the neurons. NEAT finds the best genome/generation using a fitness function, which is the score in this case. It produces each generation by reproducing genomes both sexually and asexually, taking into consideration of the best individuals from previous generations. Now I'll shut up so you guys can enjoy this epic coding compilation. So the first gen Sonic doesn't look too hot. That is to be expected since it has no fucking idea what to do. It's just pressing random buttons and seeing what affects his fitness function the most. No, big man, I don't think that is the right way. By the 25th gen it had figured out that the only way to win this game was to move forward. Most of the genomes in this gen were showing good signs of progress, with a few even starting to attack. There were a few oddballs as well. Not gonna lie, I don't think ducking is the best way to play this game. By the 100th gen it started acting and playing like a normal human would. You know, by spamming forward with attack. Also, did any of you guys know about this invincibility on this tree? I have played this level over 100 times and I have never found this. Also, there were a few times when it wanted to push the rock. Please stop, nothing will happen, the game is not designed like this. Around the 500th gen, most genomes were following the nice strategy of forward and attack. However, a few of them developed a new strategy. Sonic would move forward for some time, and then press attack once and then stop entirely. Just why? So I gave up around the 1000th gen. This was because I was greeted by my most formidable opponent till date, the Hoop. By this time the AI had solidified the fact that it could solve any problem using forward and attack. However, this cannot be used on the Hoop as it requires momentum, and jumping/attacking essentially destroys all the momentum Sonic ever had. I assume that Sonic would require like another 1000 gen to solve the Hoop problem, as he would have to change his entire game plan for this. And honestly, I just can't be bothered. Maybe sometime in the future, but not today. Anyways, if you liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing. Bye.